Hi everyone, Tate Smith with Regen Stewardship here. Want to show you another feature about the PastureMap app that we like to sponsor here. This video we're going to be looking at objects, placing objects on your map in addition to the pastures and awesome functionality that you have tracking your grazing data. So we have a variety of objects here that we've placed on our ranch, some examples. Let's go and take a look at where to do that. Just like when you're adding pastures, you want to go to the Add Items to Map. It's the third button down on the right hand toolbar. Under Objects, go ahead and click Place Object. That's going to open up the Place Object screen here. You can see our pastures get highlighted in green. We can see all of our objects. We have this awesome little tool here where we can either place new object or move existing objects. Currently the objects that are designed here are for gates, bales, hay bales, rain gauges or weather stations, water troughs, and then this miscellaneous other type. We've always got the possibility of adding more objects in the future as folks need that, so certainly let us know your thoughts on that. For this example, we're going to go ahead and add a gate feature, gate object here. So just like when we're adding pastures, we have our crosshairs. Come down here to the end of this driveway, this lane here, and put our gate. When we place an object, any object, we're going to get this prompt that allows us to name the object. So we'll just call that front gate. We can add an install date. This would be important if you're placing hay bales. That way you know how long those bales have been out in the pasture maybe. Variety of reasons you may want an install date. Just a note about the calendar here, if you click the year again, it takes you out to the 2001 to 2020 calendar. You can also go all the way back into the 90s as far as you want, or into the 1900s as far as you want. So for older infrastructure, if you know when you put that in, you can put those older dates in, which is great. So we'll just say we installed this gate May 14th of 2013. We can add a photo here for each of our objects if that's useful to you. If you press the Select Photo button here, it'll open up a file explorer just like anywhere else when you attach photos. And then we can put in a note here, call it a metal gate with a cattle guard. Alright, so go ahead and save that object, and the object is saved. Great, thank you. We can also move existing objects. So to move existing objects, just make sure you click that tab. Hay bales, let's say you have a stack yard here, you can go ahead and move a hay bale from one spot to the other. If you have mobile water troughs, you can go ahead and move those. All it is click and drag. Once you're done adding and moving, go ahead and press Save Changes. Make sure those object positions are saved. And when you want to exit out the object placement tool, you have to come over just like in pasture building, and in the bottom left corner press Exit Object Placement. Finally, to check out the details of any object, just give it a click and this screen will pop open just like that. You can go ahead and click Edit or Move. That'll open up that tool again. You can also delete from here. It'll give you your notes and your install date, and also show any picture if you had attached a picture. So that's how you add objects. Remember, it's the third button down on the right, Place Object, open up that tool. Go ahead and visit PastureMap.com to try your free trial today. Also visit us at RegenStewardship.com. Check out our services there. Visit us on Facebook at Facebook.com/RegenStewardship. Thanks for watching.